Let's go for another video.
Are we making one now?
Huh?
Are we making one now?
Wait, I'll make.
Woo! If you remember that. Woo! She tried to reach it. I burped. Here, come hold this.
OMG.
I'm doing one at you.
Really now?
Yeah, really now.
Let's go all downhill. Hey, look, you got a donut. Look.
Look at these fun nuts that he did not eat.
Watch this.
Oh, they have ants all over them. All over the back.
Ew! I got a pill! Oh! Come on.
Let's see. Luke, stop. Ants all over
Don't
them.
bother. No.
See? When an ant. There's another
Don't
ant.
make me see my shirt, so it's okay. Come on, let's go. Don't make me see my boobs, but it's okay. What? That was a real funny on the geek going on YouTube. Real funny. We won't do that anymore.
Oh, I will. Here. Make a mess up.
Alright, just mess up on purpose. No, mess up on accident. That's just my fault.
Yeah. I messed up on purpose, I think.
Well, fun.
We see your butt.
My butt. Hey, this is pretty darn cool. Take a picture of it, Jeannie.
Of what?
Be hanging upside down.
Just from your back? Whoa. I can't even see you.
Let me get my little butt down there.
I think it was a bad picture.
Jenny, go move your car, either put it in front of the camper or pull all the way down through.